Station. This is the Land Rover multifunction LCD button. It is for the Land Rover Vogue and Discover and Sport. For the car from 2013 to 2017, because the car 2018 already with this. So this button you can upgrade for the car from 13 to 17. You see, it is easy to install. After this product video, I show a video how to install it. See, that's the junior Land Rover part. It's a junior part. See, or is the original one. Module. This module. Use the module to plug and play. Switch with the original car. Steering the current from the original car steering current switch. And these two cables, extend cables. Also, some car original with the heating function. This also can do in after video or have how to install, how to connect car tuning station.
第一步，转换原车方向轴插头。第二步，更换原车物理按键。第三步，把按键总插头11号、7号、13到14车型是3号、5号退出，然后并接一起插入9号孔。插回插头。
加热模块的第3根线剪断，剪断以后加热模块这一端。 接一根线接到这个黑色小插头的7号角，然后加热模块的第6根线剪断，加热这一端接线插到这个黑色插头的8号角。